Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Analysis series with Stata. Today we will talk about working directory and how to import and upload dataset to Stata. And here you can see I have opened the Stata and the review window, the command window, the output window and variable window. All these windows are empty, so nothing has been done. So now we are going to do that. Why working directory important? So the answer is after setting the working directory, all output will generate and it will be saved in our working directory. So today our objective is regarding the working directory, and we have to check our all working in a working directory. That's a working directory objective. And how we can import dataset from the working directory directly by using the commands. And to check my working directory, the command is pwd. And now you can see the my working directory is user and Hafiz. Now I just want to change my working directory to the desktop, so I want everything has been done and every file and output save on my desktop. For this we need to write a command cd, and then we need to command, and then you can write the address, or you can copy your address here in command windows, and after that you can change your working directory. And now you can see I have changed my working directory to user, Hafiz and desktop. If we can check our working directory again, pwd, and then you can see that every my working directory is users, Hafiz and desktop. Everything will be done save on desktop. And if now I can use direct command to open my datasets. For example, I have a dataset such as use wd. Now you can see I just give the command, and wd is data format, if you can see on my desktop. And then you can see here I have a wd in Stata format. Another file I have in wd in Excel format. So I just use command and then use a wd, and you can see here our variable has been uploaded, and you can do your analysis. Another way to upload the data that you can directly from the CSV, just like you can use a CSV format, or you can use Excel format. So you can also import the data. For example, first of all we have to clear the memory. For the use the clear command, and now you can write the command like in sheet, and then using, and then you can write wd dot, and here you can write the format Excel, and just enter. Now you can see we have used in sheet using wd Excel command, but here in the variable window you can see these are the variable. In this way we lost some information, that our labeling of the label of the variable has been lost. So if you want to, just like in our, we can use a clear, and then we can, if we can use again the use wd, and now again you can see that here we have a variable with the labels. But if you use in sheet in Excel and CSV format directly import, then the variable label will be lost. And you can also do this exercise by using the clicking, just like for example if I just use file and I use open, and after that you can select any kind of just like a wd, and then open. Now you can see that we are using user Hafiz desktop wd dta. Dta is a format of Stata, and it's better you can save your file in Stata and you can just click and you can work. So thank you so much for your listening.